The Smith machine front squat is a variation of the barbell squat that places more emphasis on your quadriceps. Since the barbell on the Smith machine moves in a locked-in path, it requires less activation of the stabilization muscles, especially the core, thus making it easier to isolate the muscles in the quadriceps. The Smith machine also makes it easier to learn the movement if you're new to the barbell front squat. If the bar on the Smith machine moves straight up and down, you can face in or out. However, if you're using an angled Smith machine, make sure you are facing out, which ensures the bar moves at a slight angle up and back as you raise the bar rather than up and forward. To get started, step up to the squat rack with the barbell racked at chest level. Dip under the barbell to grip it in front of you with a shoulder width palms up grip, then lift the bar up off the rack with a slight forward twist to move the safety hooks away from the safety bar. Rest the bar on the front of your shoulders with your elbows up, straight ahead and parallel to the ground. With a shoulder width stance, shift your feet a few inches forward in front of your body to avoid excessive forward knee movement. To lower into the squat, contract your core, then sit back and down while keeping your elbows up and pointed straight ahead until your thighs are at or past parallel to the ground. To get back to standing, push your feet through the ground to rise back to the starting position. Repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.